Morning everybody. As you might tell, we have a lovely bright spring morning here. My objectives are very simple. I want to talk to you about the front pulley on a Gardner engine. We very often want to replace the original pulley with a larger one. Why? Normally it's for driving a modern high output alternator. Modern alternators need a high RPM current, and of course the original Gardner pulley was far too small. We really want a pulley something like this. Typically 200 mil, something like that, 200 mil. And of course the number of pulleys the number of grooves will vary. But what we have to be careful about is one, the weight. If you have too much weight on the front pulley, then you've got a relatively high speed vibration on the front of the shaft, and it's not impossible at all for the shaft to break. It has happened. The other factor that we have to take into account is the seal. Now, as I've described in other videos, there actually is no seal. If you look very carefully here, this is what we call the church door on a Gardner engine, and in here we've got a groove, and you'll see that the original pulley has a protrusion here that fits very nicely inside that groove. So as the pulley rotates, it's constantly scoping the oil back in. As the pulley rotates, it's constantly scrubbing the oil back inside of the sump. This is a customized, specially made pulley, 200 mil, and you'll notice it has the same protrusion on there. You'll also notice that it's got a felt dust cover. Note that's not a seal, it's just to keep out dust. This is another aluminium pulley, again 200 mil, but it doesn't have the protrusion. This device to the left here does have the protrusion underneath, and it's fitted there by those bolts. All really very simple. Notice the groove for the dust seal. This is how it's fitted onto the shaft. The bolts come through there. Okay, that's all I've got for you on front pulleys. Now, if you make some inquiries about these pulleys, the large diameter alloy pulleys with multiple grooves, you'll find they're quite hard to find. You'll also find that you might need a mixture of diameters. You might need a large pulley for driving an alternator and a smaller inner pulley perhaps for driving a water pump or whatever. But of course, as you might predict, we can supply them. We'll need to know the number of grooves, the diameter, and so on. They're not cheap, but we can supply them. So I hope that's of interest to you, and thanks a lot, and on we go to the next one.